Hey, this is Jim. We're down here at the BeachLife Festival. They're already setting up. The workers are working hard, putting up this giant stage. In a few days, some of the biggest artists in the world are going to be out here rocking out to thousands of people. Bob Weir, Willie Nelson, Brian Wilson. So this is where I usually hang out on stage. If you look over here, you can see we have a side stage where you're going to have tables with some of the best chefs around and watch the entire festival while you're eating right on the side of the stage. It's going to be the first of its kind. Go to BeachLife Festival right now, secure yourself a table before it's too late. You're going to want to get in on this.
Hey y'all, Chris Long here, NFL defensive end. I will be in Redondo, front and center, and I hope to see you there. Drop everything you're doing and come out to the most awesome new festival that's happening in the most unique place, right on the beach.